All right, at this point, it's an exciting piece. We've got our back in, our toe kick is in, this entire case is assembled, and so here we're at the home stretch. Some things to note, your shelf is gonna have to be cut down to the actual specific length to fit in between here. But right now what I've got are my shelf pin clips, and I'm gonna put those, and you can kind of be specific or pick out where you wanna put them, but I've got these shelf pins back here where I want them. I'm gonna make sure that my finished edge, the edge that I edge banded a long time ago, is right there. There we have it, we got 2 shelves now. So final step before we put any stain or any kind of finish on here is we're gonna wanna go through and sand off any of our pencil marks, any of our burn marks, any imperfections you may see. Ease the edges, but I recommend using a sponge sand block. Don't use an orbital sander or anything major because the veneer on these are usually really thin, and so we want to avoid chipping any of the ends, and so it's just as simple as putting some time in with that block, removing all those blemishes that you may see, and then at that point when all those are gone, then you can move to finish.